IceCream, PhonicsSong. What do you see? Igloo, insect, and IceCream for me. Sing it with glee. Let's learn the letter I. Wee. Ice cream melts on a sunny day. Lick it fast before it runs away. I is for ice cream, sweet and cool, tastes so yummy. It's the rule. Insect buzzing by a flower bed, tiny legs and a tiny head. I is for insect, crawling slow, watch it wiggle as it goes. Igloo shining in the snowy light, made of ice, so cold and white. I is for igloo, cozy inside, let's play peekaboo and hide. Island floating in the sea so wide, palm trees wave as we take a ride. I is for island, sunny and brief, let's explore it left and right. What do you see? Igloo, insect, and ice cream for me. Sing it with glee. We'll learn the letter I and me.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.